everybody. Congratulations. I'm an immigrant. I came from a poor country. Like, this money's a lot, right? Like, I've been struggling. Like, I'm a father. I work full time. I have a daughter. I want to go home. I want to spend time with them. But, you know, as a father, you want to balance it out, right? Like, should I work or should I, you know, spend time with my daughter and not have food, right? Like, those kinds of stuff. So I know the struggle for every Canadian around. So with this amount of money, I'll be able to spend more time with my daughter, with my wife, with my family. Like, and of course, like, living here in Surrey, and then I've been living here for over 4 years now. Like, I could really see the struggle, right? Like, and of course, this is so much money for us. Yeah. Like, I really want to give back to the community as much as I could, right? Like, we already have set charities like in our brains right now, but just writing it down, we're gonna decide once we get to a financial advisor. And then for sure, I want to give back to the community that I'm living. Canada's home. This is a lot. This is a lot. Thank you.
Hello mga kahabibi, mga ka-OFW ko dyan, mapapasana all ka na lang talaga sa napanalunan po ng isang Pilipino sa Canada. Nakakagulat magkano guys. Alam mo naman na ininano ko na rin sa video na 80 million. Yes, 80 million dollars. So kayo na mag-convert kung magkano yan sa peso. Nakakasyak siya lang po yung unang nanirahan sa Canada na nanalo ng ganong kalaki, at syempre nasyak siya sa laki ng panalo na niya. At of course, syempre mag-share din po daw siya sa kanyang napanalunan. Nakakagulat, 80 million, di ba? So talagang binibless po talaga yung taong mapangkumbaba, yung taong alam mo yun, yung iniisip lang ang pamilya, di ba? Bilang OFW, habibi, talagang hirap mamuhay sa ibang bansa. And of course, deserve ni Kuya, deserve ng family niya na manalo sa Lotto Max, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, mga ka-OFW. I really wanna give back to the community, di ba? Nakaka-inspire yung ano niya, yung speech niya, and of course, natutuwa ako kay Kuya. So, yun naman pangarap natin bilang OFW at bilang residente kung saan ka man sa lupalop ng mundo, na nandoon pa rin yung pagiging makabayan mo at makapilipino. So, 80 million, it's a lot. Compared mo mga ka-OFW, mga kahabibi, 80 million times, hindi ko alam kung magkano ng Canadian dollars. So, wow, so blessed Kuya. So, God bless you and be safe always. And of course, maging happy na lang tayo at enjoy natin yung life bilang isang OFW. So, masaya lang. Dapat maging masaya lang tayo sa achievement ng iba. And of course, you know, maging happy na tayo. Happy lang. Just love, love, love.